Let's not plus verb. Let's not fear change. Let's not procrastinate. Let's not give in to fear. Let's not fear the unknown. Let's not fear the unknown. Let's not delay our dreams. Let's not ignore the signs. Let's not complicate things. Let's not dwell on the past. Let's not rush through life. Let's not neglect self-care. Let's not rush to conclusions. Let's not rush to conclusions. Let's not dwell on negativity. Let's not ignore our intuition. Let's not neglect our passions. Let's not overlook the details. Let's not forget to be grateful. Let's not dwell on what we lack. Let's not ignore our inner voice. Let's not resist positive change. Let's not dwell on past mistakes. Let's not neglect our friendships. Let's not take life too seriously. Let's not underestimate ourselves. Let's not underestimate ourselves. Let's not lose sight of our goals. Let's not take things for granted. Let's not hesitate to ask for help. Let's not judge others too quickly. Let's not shy away from challenges. Let's not forget to breathe deeply. Let's not resist positive feedback. Let's not resist positive feedback. Let's not dwell on past grievances. Let's not resist new opportunities. Let's not resist trying new things. Let's not resist asking for support. Let's not forget to listen actively. Let's not neglect our mental health. Let's not skip the chance to forgive. Let's not ignore the needs of others. Let's not neglect our physical health. Let's not dwell on negative self-talk. Let's not skip the chance to apologize. Let's not hesitate to say I love you. Let's not hesitate to say I love you. Let's not resist change for the better. Let's not forget to practice gratitude. Let's not miss the beauty in simplicity. Let's not overlook the power of a smile. Let's not hesitate to share our talents. Let's not resist constructive criticism. Let's not dwell on what we can't change. Let's not dwell on what we can't change. Let's not skip the opportunity to learn. Let's not dwell on past disappointments. Let's not ignore the beauty in diversity. Let's not dismiss different perspectives. Let's not dwell on what we can't control. Let's not dwell on what we can't control. Let's not resist the beauty in simplicity. Let's not overlook the importance of rest. Let's not underestimate the value of time. Let's not hesitate to learn from mistakes. Let's not dwell on the opinions of others. Let's not resist the power of forgiveness. Let's not resist the power of forgiveness. Let's not forget to express our gratitude. Let's not forget to appreciate the present. Let's not resist expressing our creativity. Let's not skip the chance to be empathetic. Let's not be afraid to express our feelings. Let's not overlook the importance of family. Let's not hesitate to apologize when needed. Let's not hesitate to apologize when needed. Let's not forget to express our appreciation. Let's not forget to celebrate small victories. Let's not overlook the importance of humility. Let's not underestimate the value of teamwork. Let's not underestimate the power of kindness. Let's not skip the chance to encourage others. Let's not resist the power of a genuine smile. Let's not forget to cherish the present moment. Let's not underestimate the impact of kindness. Let's not forget to take breaks when necessary. Let's not overlook the joy in simple pleasures. Let's not forget to prioritize self-reflection. Let's not forget to prioritize self-reflection. Let's not hesitate to seek guidance when needed. Let's not neglect the value of lifelong learning. Let's not neglect to learn from every experience. Let's not skip the chance to connect with others. Let's not neglect the value of open communication. Let's not underestimate the impact of a kind word. Let's not underestimate the power of a good laugh. Let's not underestimate the power of a good laugh. Let's not resist the power of a positive attitude. Let's not overlook the importance of adaptability. Let's not underestimate the impact of a good deed. Let's not hesitate to step out of our comfort zone. Let's not dwell on the negative opinions of others. Let's not forget to appreciate the beauty in nature. Let's not forget to appreciate the beauty in nature. Let's not underestimate the importance of self-love. Let's not overlook the significance of perseverance. Let's not underestimate the impact of a kind gesture. Let's not resist the opportunity to learn from others. Let's not underestimate the impact of positive habits. Let's not underestimate the value of a positive mindset. Let's not forget to embrace the journey, not just the destination. Let's not forget to embrace the journey, not just the destination.